Namar ki babon ki jing ba kinong hikai ad hoc school ki yakindo menta kasi sa jain ka nyotrik urisau ka kinhun kinong hikai ka balatip kum ka Fastcom kala Pynlong ye ka Jingialang ka bahe abha ha ka Madan new Nongstoiñ ha ka te ka Jingialang kinong hikai ad hoc school na keleng ka jela kila poi ha ka ni kasi layo nungkong ye ka jingkren na ubabu wanhun masar ubalaong ba nakalyang jong ka Fastcom kala dawa nakapor siya kapor naka sorkar bakan kiteu kerdan no ya ki ad hoc school siya ka deficit school kanang bakin yo lem ya ki jing mentoy kumbayo ki we pat kinong hikai henry hadu menta ka sorkar kampat sem lapat yaw satya kate ka jingle menti jong ka sorkar kalong kum ka jing ibeng bat ka jing bom kain snap ya kinong hikai ki bala no senyang met bat men sem ha ka imlang salang.
Maybe the weather may not be very favorable, but it cannot deter us from our objectives.
We thank you, Ms. Divyanya CM, our Joint Secretary, for the dynamic message, the wonderful and inspiring welcome speech to each and every one of us.
What is the meaning of the word ad hoc? All of us, we are part of this system, of this policy, which I can say it is a fair policy. The ad hoc system of the government of Meghalaya, which was introduced to us, the teachers who are not lucky enough. This is a fair policy. It is a fair policy. But the government of Meghalaya is still continuing with this fair policy. And we the teachers also, we continue to suffer because of this policy. I know I need not ask any question. All of us, the ad hoc teachers, from LP level to UP level to the secondary level and also the higher secondary level, if we are all about, if we enjoy this ad hoc grant, if we are in this ad hoc system, we are very, very unfortunate. We suffer. We are the ones who suffer the most. The word ad hoc means temporary or for the time being. Temporary or for the time being. This was introduced by the government on a temporary basis. That is, in the initial stage, to support the MCs of different schools all over Meghalaya. Those schools who establish their institutions because the government cannot, I repeat, because the government cannot set up or establish schools at different nooks and corners of the state of us. With the intention, the government provides this system, the ad hoc system, with the intention that those schools who perform, depending on the performance, these schools on a phased manner will be upgraded to the deficit system. Since the inception of this system, of this policy, a fair policy, not even a single school under the ad hoc system has been regularized or deposited. The main demand, that the demand now is the deficit system. Apart from the other demands, the main is deficit, to upgrade the ad hoc schools into deficit schools. That is why, once we are ad hoc teachers, when we retire, we will retire as ad hoc teachers and empty-handed. We will retire empty-handed. No matter how great your contribution was to the society, to the institutions that we are working with. No matter how great our contributions was to the society, but when we retire empty-handed.